This next mistake is a massive mistake and a huge no-no when it comes to self haircutting. And that is using your clippers and your trimmers on wet hair, all right? When you're giving yourself a haircut with the clippers and you're using the trimmers, always, always, always make sure that the hair is dry, right? If you're giving yourself a buzz cut, dry. Mid fade, dry. Everything when it comes to the sides and the back, dry. Your hair has to be dry. I'm gonna say it a million times, dry. When you're using clippers, say it with me. Alex, what is it again? Dry hair with clippers and trimmers. What do I do? Alex, what do I do with it? When I'm using the clippers and the trimmers, I cut my hair when it's dry. Perfect. All right, we understand. So cool. Let's say I give myself a buzz cut. Let's say I have the number 3 guard on again and I'm giving myself a buzz cut. Do I wet my hair? No. No, you always make sure that it's dry. Your whole head must be dry when you're using the electronic tools. And the reason why, because I'm sure you're asking why. Well, Alex, why? Why do I need to make sure that the hair is dry? It's because the clippers function better. They cut better, and you also don't want to mess up the blades, right? So you're kind of killing a bunch of birds with one stone, right? You got to protect the clippers, right? Let's say you spent $40, like these Chemi clippers right here. These are cheaper clippers, right? They don't have the strongest of motors like maybe my $200 Babyliss clippers do, all right? So the motors might not be as strong, which means the blades are probably not as strong too. So if you wet the hair, you really run the risk of damaging the blades and then choking up the motor on the inside of the clippers and the trimmers, all right? So don't damage the blades, don't choke up the motors, because wet hair is like, it expands and it's like tough, right? But dry hair is, it's just light, it's lighter. Wet hair is thicker and it's heavier. So you don't want to damage the clippers. The blades, especially the motor, is what I'm more concerned about than anything. Because you can replace the blades, but when the motor's done, you gotta buy a whole new clipper or trimmer. So avoid cutting with clippers and trimmers with wet hair. Always make sure you're using these bad boys on dry hair, always.